Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manogar here, and in this new training tutorial series, we are going to see why are you not making money with solo ads. So guys, just listen. In email marketing, there is a saying called the money is in the list. Yeah, that's true. But I would say the real money is in the relationship with your email list. And I would take it one step further and say the real money is in the buyer's email list. So there is a clear difference between the buyers and the freebie seekers. So you have to understand this component in email marketing. So the moment email deliverability system is fixed, and when you have a large responsive email list, then it is impossible that you are not making sales every day. So the two components, the email deliverability system and secondly, the large responsive email list is very much important in order to make money with email marketing using solo ads. So if your email deliverability system is fixed and if you don't have a large responsive email list, then you're not going to make money. And at the same time, if you have a large responsive list and your email deliverability system is not fixed, then you're not going to make either money. So further, how do you segment your email list with openers, clickers, and buyers, and so on? And when it comes to email marketing, guys, remember the easiest and the fastest way to build your email list is through solo ads. And many people would claim that solo ads is an useless and rubbish traffic, which is not true. You have to always have a very good solo ad traffic vendor, and at the same time you should have to use your solo ads traffic and nurture with your email sequences and try to turn them from prospects into buyers of you, and which is covered in my entire email marketing tutorials, which you can refer in the description box below. So if you're someone who is really keen and serious about email marketing, then I would seriously recommend you to check out the tool called Optin Dojo, which is a third-party tracking software. So if you're someone who is following my YouTube training tutorial series, then I would request you to check the link in the description box below to get your Optin Dojo account. So the primary objective of Optin Dojo is not just to segregate the quality traffic providers, but the Optin Dojo does a very important function, which is separating the email list which have bought from your affiliate offers through your emails into separate segments of buyers, which no other tool does, like ClickMagick or QLicker. That's why Optin Dojo is very important when you're using email marketing with solo ads. So as I said earlier, the money is in the list, but the real money is in the buyer's email list. That is why you can see many of the affiliate marketers out there go on to become coaches, because they need to know who are the buyers and who are the freebie seekers. So once they have a large buyer's email list, then they try to promote other affiliate offers, maybe mid-ticket or high-ticket offers, in order to get many sales. So if you're someone who thinks that email marketing is all about bringing in solo ad traffic and making front-end sales, then your thinking is too narrow, I would say. Email marketing doesn't work that way, my friend. There are so many intricacies in doing email marketing, and there is another level in order to succeed in email marketing using solo ads. And all these are available on my YouTube channel on how to build your squeeze pages using lead pages, and how to set up your autoresponders with AWeber and Getresponse, and also where to buy the quality solo ad traffic, and also how to use this third-party software called Optin Dojo. Everything is available on my YouTube channel step by step for beginners. And if you're really serious, then please take a look into my training videos and try to watch it step by step and analyze what I have said and try to implement it. That gives a lot of value and it's free of cost, guys. So if you are one of those guys who is really interested in email marketing and serious in earning more than 5K, 10K, even 15, 20K per month, then I would seriously recommend you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below, where when you enroll into the inner circle program of the mentor, he really teaches you and works with you until you achieve a $5,000 in profit consecutively for 3 months. And in this inner circle program, the mentor teaches you the strategies, the intricacies of how to master email marketing and how to promote the low ticket, mid ticket and high ticket offers. What kind of low ticket, mid ticket and high ticket offers needs to be promoted to different lists. And you might be one of those persons who might be thinking, whenever I run any solo ads traffic, why doesn't I convert any high ticket sales? But the real deal is that it doesn't work that way, because there are so many nuts and bolts that has to be fitted in order to conclude your high ticket sales, and which he teaches in his inner circle program. So when you click on the affiliate link of Optin Dojo in the description box below, you will reach this page. This is the homepage of Optin Dojo, and when you scroll down, you can see the different plans available: Marketer, Pro and Guru plan. And when you have the budget, then you can go for the annual plan. And if not, then you can go for the monthly plan, which is around $37. And you always can go for the Marketer plan as a beginner, and which it costs around $37. And the actions allowed are around 10,000 actions per month, and which is very good. And I don't think there is any other software that does the job as exceptionally as Optin Dojo when you're using email marketing. Not ClickMagick or QLicker. This is the best software when it comes to email marketing with solo ads. So guys, it's just a $37 amount, and you can always afford for this software when it has very good features. Many of my subscribers on my email list always ask, Mano, is there another way of making money online without investing money? So honestly, guys, this is 2024, and I don't think so there's any other method that allows you to make money without investing even a penny. Even if there is a method that requires no investing, then who would want to work a 9-to-5 job? Everybody would have just come online and make money. So guys, that ends the first part of this training series. And if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So the two key takeaways of this part 1 of this training series is: first, set up your email deliverability system, and second, invest in a proper third-party tracking software. And I would seriously recommend you to go for Optin Dojo. So let's meet in the next part of this tutorial series. Until then, bye.